To remove a credit card from Google Play, start by opening the Google Play Store app on your device. Tap the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Payments and Subscriptions from the drop-down menu. Next, tap on Payment Methods. This will display a list of all the payment methods you have added to your Google Play account, including credit cards. Find the credit card you want to remove and tap on the three-dot icon next to it. Then select Remove. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to remove the credit card. Tap Remove to confirm. The credit card will be removed from your Google Play account and you will no longer be able to use it to make purchases. It is also important to note that removing a credit card from Google Play does not cancel any active subscriptions you may have. You will need to cancel these separately. To do this, go back to the Payments and Subscriptions menu. Tap on Subscriptions. Find the subscription you want to cancel and tap on Cancel Subscription. Best practice is to regularly review your payment methods and subscriptions to ensure you are not being charged for anything you do not need. Additionally, if you are selling or giving away your device, make sure to remove all payment methods to prevent unauthorized purchases. By following these steps, you can easily remove a credit card from Google Play and help keep your account secure. Remember to always monitor your account activity and adjust your payment methods as needed to avoid any unnecessary charges.